we will do an experiment to trace the path of a ray of light through a glass prism and to determine the angle of deviation. Take a white sheet, place the white sheet on a board, fix the sheet on the board using thumb pins, place a prism on the sheet, draw the outline of the prism, mark a point on the left side of the prism as shown. Draw a normal to the prism at this point. Draw a line making angles between 30 degrees to 60 degrees with the normal. Here, we draw the line at an angle of 50 degrees with the normal. This line will serve as an incident ray for the experiment. The angle of incidence is 50 degree. Now place the prism back on the outline. Place 2 needles on the incident ray at suitable distance from the prism. Now look these needles through the other side of the prism. You will see the image of the needles. Now you have to find the exact position where these 2 needles appears to be in a straight line when seen from the opposite side of the prism. Friends, this is very important step of the experiment. It should be done accurately, otherwise you will get an error. In this direction, place 2 more needles on the board. These 2 needles should be placed in such a way that all 4 needles appears to be in a straight line when seen from the other side of the prism. In this direction, the 4th needle will overlap all the 3 needles and you will see only the 4th needle. Remove all 4 needles and prism from the sheet. Now mark the points where 3rd and 4th needles were placed. Join these points with a line and extend it to the prism. This line is the emergent ray. Mark the point where the emergent ray meet the prism. Draw the normal to the prism at this point. The angle which the emergent ray make with the normal is the angle of emergence. Draw the refracted ray inside the glass prism by joining the points where incident ray and emergent rays are meeting with the prism. The angle between the refracted ray and the normal is the angle of refraction. Now extend the incident ray with the dotted lines and also extend the emergent ray backward. These 2 extended rays will meet at a point. The angle between the direction of incident ray and the emergent ray is known as angle of deviation. Measure the angle of emergence and angle of deviation. The relation between angle of incidence, angle of emergence, angle of prism and angle of deviation is D equal to I plus E minus A. You can verify your result by substituting the value of I, E, A and D in the equation given below. That is D equal to I plus E minus A. Find the error if any.